Right, so I've just downloaded a fresh copy of our Big Swing Full Throttle export from Cornix, so that's direct. I haven't passed it yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass the last few days. So where do we change? The 20th, I think. I'm going to went long and short. Yeah, I think so. Right. Show you how to build a pivot table at the same time. Right, so we just load all those into internal to the pivot table. We look at absolute profits. Let me just look at the dates. So everything that opened on the 20th, those are all shorts. Yeah, that's usually a declination day. Right, so yeah, clearly profitable. Extremely, this is at 3x. This is extremely profitable. Yeah. Let's get the symbols. Don't need the hours. Okay, cool. Well, there you have it. Yeah, system works, I believe. How many hits did we take here? There'll be an FTX system. Got a -1 here. What's this? Oh, I closed that manually. Cool. Right. Yeah. So no system hits. Pretty good. Pretty good. Thanks very much.